If there's one thing I can't stand, it's a dirty car, and my car is dirty. So let's go to the local car wash, get the car cleaned up, and while we're there, we can check out car wash mode. So let's go. And we might as well use FSD Beta to drive us to the car wash. Okay, FSD Beta is engaged. As a reminder, FSD Beta does not make the car fully autonomous. I am in control at all times. I can take over whenever necessary. I'll have my hands on the wheel hovering, but the car is actually doing the driving. I'll have my foot hovered over the brake and accelerator, and I can take control at any time. Autopilot creeping forward, checking for visibility, and going around the turn. Great. Okay, we've got our first red light. It's a controlled intersection. Green, we can go. And FSD Beta is going ahead. Here we've got the painted line. We're slowing down a little bit for the pedestrians. Walking the dog, just to be careful. I mean, FSD Beta did that. I did not intervene.
Meters, turn left onto Clark Street.
Up ahead here is a little bit of an edge case. We've got a railway crossing with a painted white line, and just ahead of that, a stop sign.
Left onto Clark Street.
So what FSD Beta does tend to do is take this line at the railway crossing for the stop sign line. And as we creep forward, it stops again for the stop sign, fairly far back, and is checking for visibility both directions. Nobody is coming. And now it proceeds to take the turn. So technically, I mean, it could have stopped a little bit closer to that stop sign. Ideally, it did make a stop quite far back. Okay, we got another stop sign here. Again, it's just a two-way stop. It's an uncontrolled intersection. So FSD Beta will have to check both directions. We've got a car here blocking the view, so it should creep until it can see. Okay, it can see. Now we can go. Nobody was coming. It's good. Okay, the next stop is a fully controlled intersection, traffic light, and we're going to be needing to go straight. So let's see, it's currently red, so Beta should stop here, and it does, and we wait for green. Speed limit here is 60. Beta has identified the sign, comes through right here. See 60, and we are going 60. Okay, here's our left turn. Slowing down. It's clear, we can go. Nice. And the GPS
Your destination
doesn't
is on
show the
left.
turn into the wash, so I'm just going to disengage and take this last turn manually because the GPS is not showing the path into here. And here we are at our car wash, local car wash. Okay.
Thank you for using it. Please wait. The wash is in use.
Okay, we're about to enter car wash mode. We'll take it in nice and easy because we get an undercarriage wash and these jets on the side slowly do the rocker panels. They do it at the speed that we drive into the car wash, so I try to keep it at about 1 kilometer an hour. Just slowly roll forward to get maximum cleaning. Good. I'm going to drive forward till we get the red light. Out to the left. And now we can stop. We can enter service, car wash mode. And then enter car wash mode. So we get the door is locked for us. The windows will all be put up. The charge port door locked. Walk away door lock off. Automatic wipers off. Parking assist chimes off. Sentry mode is off. Climate recirculating. Front closed and trunk is closed. We can optionally fold the mirror. And you can optionally, this is a park-in car wash where the washing mechanism will travel around us. But we can optionally enable free roll by pressing the brake, shifting into drive to enable and enable free roll. It basically puts the vehicle in neutral and then allows us to basically free roll through the type of car washes that have the the conveyor that brings you through the car wash. We'll hit exit car wash mode and drive through the blowers. Get the car dried off.